Controversial businessman Kudakoshe Tagwirei faces the prospect of losing his ZANU-PF Central Committee bid prematurely after flouting party protocol, triggering sharp internal backlash. Sanapenda mashoko buda pangwa ino nyaskungonza awa Tagwirei faces early chop. Don't forget subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda the news headline pana pamoja na mshinzi. Tagwirei suffered a major political setback last week after he attended a Central Committee meeting without official clearance. And Action Party officials have condemned as violations of the ruling party's constitution. Although Tagwirei is reportedly being backed by ZANU-PF Harare province for co-option into the powerful organ, his premature participation in the meeting has drawn stern criticism. Party spokesperson Chris Muchangwa confirmed the incident and warned that Tagwirei risks expulsion if he continues to undermine party procedures. He violated the party's constitution, and such behavior could complicate his smooth entry into the Central Committee, Muchangwa told the Standard. According to Muchangwa, Tagwirei's appointment was still under review by the party's top leadership, the Presidium, which includes President Mnangagwa, VP Constantino Chiwenga, and VP Mohadi. The Presidium was supposed to deliberate and endorse his appointment, whether it was a poor advice from the Harare province leadership or driven by personal ambition. Tagwirei acted hastily, said Muchangwa. It was procedurally wrong, and the party constitution had to be read out to him. He is not yet a member. He added that Tagwirei might have to start at the grassroots level or undergo ideological training at the Herbert Chapel School of Ideology before being considered for any leadership role. The incident has exposed simmering factional tensions within ZANU-PF, with insiders suggesting that Tagwirei's rapid political ascendancy is being quietly resisted by a faction aligned to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Ndio mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino chinokonzi even vana Muchangwa vanotodzawana Tagwirei kuti aiwa panapa vakomana zvamuri kuita izvi muri kumanyira zvinhu hapana kwamunosvika. After the faction iralaina VP Constantino Chiwenga yadha kuisa zvese. Pinda comment section medu mbotidza mafunguro moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.